So in this video, I'm going to show you how I made over $5,000 with this one email. So if you're watching this video, right, if you're promoting, for example, MaxWeb offer, as I did in this case, then you can choose the source of payment. Like you can choose the bank account or any other account that you're using. So that's the beauty of this system. Now let's go straight into it so you can see exactly how I did it and how you can do it yourself. So over here you can see, right, if I make this smaller, you can see I had average open rate of 73% and average click-through rate, right? Average click rate was 31%. Now, it really depends what kind of offer you are promoting. Now, if you're an affiliate marketer, you know that it's very, very hard to promote weight loss offer, diabetes offers with, for example, YouTube ads, Facebook ads, especially on Facebook or YouTube or Google, right? You have to be very, very careful about the compliance. Now, what most of the gurus or people selling the courses are not telling you is that there is the way that you can make huge income on the back end. So what you can do on the front end, and what I will do personally, I was to start all over again with affiliate marketing, is I would build a page, a landing page somewhere, right, where I give a ton of value. So pre-sale page, right? I pre-sell 5 points, and then on the back end I would collect emails. Why? Because I want to build a huge email list where I can get paid passive income over and over again. And then another thing is, let me show you over here on MaxWeb, for example, with this product over here, you see average payout is $100. This is a very good thing. But remember, you have to stay compliant. So the beauty of email marketing, when you're promoting with emails, that you can say anything you want, you can use any words you want in the emails without worrying about getting in the spam folder or getting shut down, like with Google or YouTube ads or even Facebook ads, right? So that's the beauty, right? You can say anything. You don't have to be that strictly careful what you're saying. And I'm going to show you the email, right, and subject line that I have been using to generate over $5,000 with email marketing in one day. So let's go straight into it. As you can see here, right, this is the fat destroying supplement. So this is Icaria Slim product. Earning per clicks, you can see, is $2.3, and average payout is $100, which is really, really good. So you're earning $100 per sale, and the product price is $69, right? So let me show you over here exactly how this is done. So you see I'm in my email marketing system. So this is the software, and you can see I wrote here the subject line, how to turn back the age clock after 50. So from this you can exactly see who am I targeting. Who I'm targeting is the people who are over 50 years old. So mostly females, also males, but specifically age group, it's over 50 years old. So you must understand, you have to narrow down your audience. You have to understand who is your audience, what is their language like, what is their day-to-day life like, and then you also understand what are the pain and problems, what are they struggling with, and what they're buying, right? So as a super affiliate, we are not doing any convincing, right? We are not doing any persuasion in the emails or ads. We understand, if you're a super affiliate, you understand the mindset is you have to jump in, right? We have a buyer's persona. We have a line here. Here is from cold to hot. Here is non-buyer, this is buyer, right? Pain and solutions. We go here, and then we put our email just before they make the buying decision. That's the beauty of this system. We are just dropping the right email, the right subject line, so we make sure they open the email, they read it, and they go and click on that ClickBank page or MaxWeb in this case, right? MaxWeb. So you see subject line, very, very important, and then you can see the body, the copy, right? If you have struggled with weight gain, fatigue, or digestive issues after age 40, movie star Chuck Norris is revealing something you need to hear. Norris is one of the biggest action movie stars of all time, and a lifelong martial arts fitness expert says he found a key to healthy aging, right? So you see, we create an emotional story, basically create a story about a movie star, right? Actor, whoever, right? And then we insert the affiliate link at the bottom. We add some extra pre-sale points, and then we insert the affiliate call to action, CTA, which stands for call to action, right? You have to embed that into your emails. So that's the beauty, you see. And then what I can do is I can send this email right now, right? or I can send it, for example, after 2-3 days. So I can create follow-up sequences, right? I can create my own sales funnel here. I can publish it, right? I can change subject lines. So that's the beauty, right? If you're watching this video, if you want to get results long term with affiliate marketing, I'm telling you, if you have a list of at least 1,000 people, you can make at least $500 every single day, $500 in profit with ClickBank or MaxWeb or any other network out there, right? But you need to take it seriously, right? You need to have someone that will guide you through one-on-one, step-by-step, and hand-holding you along the way to show you how this is done, right? We have done for you affiliate emails that are personality-driven emails and work really, really well to connect with your audience, especially in weight loss and fitness space, where you can basically promote different things like bodybuilding, protein shakes, supplements, vitamins. So you have different stuff you can promote with via email marketing, right? You don't have to be a Word A-class copywriter. No, you don't have to. You just need to have someone to guide you through step by step and show the way of how you can make this money online with affiliate marketing using email marketing, right? Emails, which is basically something that will sustainably help you, right, to make great income over time, right? So it's a sustainable way of making money online. It's not get rich quick, but it's get results for sure, right? So if you're watching this video, what you can do next, right, if you want to get results, is you can, as you can see over here, you can subscribe to my channel over here on the YouTube. So please subscribe to my channel, and below this video are going to be links to my social media accounts: Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, and email. You can also get on my private email list, so all the links are below this video. And you can also get on our live Zoom free workshops and training, where we show exactly how to go from $0 to $10,000 per month as an affiliate promoting ClickBank or MaxWeb offers and products. So if you're still watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and do let me know and connect with me after watching this video.